How to log out Outlook account. Logging out Outlook account or signing out Outlook account is very easy and simple. Just you have to stick on this video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to log out Outlook account. Without much delay, let's dive right into the video. Launch Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Ensure that you have already logged into any existing account that you want to log out. Now tap on the Google sign at the top left corner of the screen. On this panel, tap gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now on the settings section, scroll down. Under General, locate Accounts and tap on it. Now tap on your existing account at top of the screen. Scroll down, tap Remove Account button and tap Remove from all mobile devices. Now in order to confirm, tap Remove again and wait for a few moments until everything gets loaded here. So once you have done that, you will finally or successfully log out Outlook account. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.